A very good mornings to all of you. We have a next experiment, that is to find the resistance of given wire using meter bridge and hence determine the resistivity or specific resistance of a given material. The formula used for find out the unknown resistance X is equal to 100 minus L upon L multiplied by R, and for the rho, which we known as specific resistance, is equal to X by D square upon 4L. That is the circuit diagram of मीटर ब्रिज. ओके, ये जो मीटर ब्रिज का अरेंजमेंट है उसका सर्किट डायग्राम है. यहाँ पे आप एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं उस सर्किट डायग्राम को हमने कैसे बनाया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. अब मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि ये अरेंजमेंट कैसे थे. दैट डिवाइस और ऑब्जेक्ट इज नोन एज गैल्वेनोमीटर. ओके, galvanometer is a device which is used to provide the direction of current. डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट कहाँ जाता है उसे प्रोविज़न करने के लिए गैल्वेनोमीटर यूज़ होता है. गैल्वेनोमीटर का पॉइंटर दोनों जगह डिफ्लेक्शन देता है. इट गिव्स द डिफ्लेक्शन इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन. The right hand side deflection gives the direction of current in one direction and the left side deflection gives the direction of current on another direction. Okay, that device is known as battery eliminator. Okay, that battery eliminator is basically a rectifier which is used to convert 220 volt AC into 4 2 6 8 10 or 12 volt DC. Okay, that device is known as resistance box, which is used to provide the particular resistance in the circuit. That one is one way key, okay, which is used to provide the current on the circuit. As you see, there is a wire that is known as resistance wire. Okay, ये resistance wire जो है, इसी resistance wire का हमको resistance अभी निकालना है. पर्टिकुलर सी रेजिस्टेंस वायर का स्ट्रक्चर हमने इसलिए बनाया है ताकि आपको ऐसा लगे कि ये रेजिस्टेंस की तरह है. ओके, इसका प्रोविजन ये था. दैट डिवाइस इज नोन एज जॉकी. जॉकी इज बेसिकली द डिवाइस विच इज यूज टू मूव ऑन द मीटर ब्रिज स्केल सो दैट वी विल गेट द डिफ्लेक्शन इन द गैल्वेनोमीटर. ओके, एज यू सी in the table of the unknown resistance, we have the resistance from resistance box are L 100 minus L and the unknown resistance formula. Okay, first of all we have to establish the connection of the meter bridge. From the center of the meter bridge we have a knob. That knob is connected with the positive terminal of galvanometer. The negative terminal of the galvanometer is attached by the jockey. Okay, so in this arrangement आपको दिखाई देगा कि the central point of the meter bridge is connected with the positive terminal of the galvanometer. Okay, and the negative terminal of the galvanometer is connected with the jockey. The negative terminal of the galvanometer is connected with the jockey. That positive terminal of the galvanometer is connected with the positive terminal of galvanometer is connected with the central point. Okay, the next circuitry is R. R means what? Two knob of this arrangement is connected with knob of resistance box. As you see, the two knob of this arrangement is connected with two knob of resistance box. Two knob of this arrangement connected with two knob of resistance box. That wire is known as connecting wire. Okay, next we have the arrangement. The negative terminal of battery eliminator is connected with one way key and the next terminal of one way key connected with the last end of the meter bridge. Okay, let's see. The negative terminal of battery eliminator is connected with one way key, one knob, and the other knob of one way key is connected with the other end of the meter bridge. Okay, for the establishment of another circuit we have the arrangement. We have the arrangement of unknown wire. Unknown wire put on that knob, between that knob, so that we'll get the resistance of that wire from the formula. Actually, what is the process of meter bridge here? We have to move that jockey in such a way that we will get the zero deflection in galvanometer. That deflection of galvanometer give us particular length of the wire, so that we'll get the length and put it on the formula. Okay, let's start the experiment. So the power of the circuit has started. Okay, now we just take out one resistance from the resistance box. Okay, that is 2 ohm resistance. Okay, now what happened? See the deflection in galvanometer. When we put galvanometer on that last position, you will get the deflection on the right hand side. When we have the deflection in left hand side, it is only due to the galvanometer on the left hand side. As you put the galvanometer, the pointer of the jockey, on the very left hand side, you will get the deflection in galvanometer in left hand side. As you see, the deflection of the galvanometer is on the left hand side. Okay, we have started our experiment where we have to move the jockey in such a way that we'll get the maximum we will get the zero deflection. Okay, we will start to move the jockey. You'll get at one point we have zero deflection, and that point is 57. On 57 we will get the zero deflection of galvanometer. Okay, so length AB is 57. Okay, R is 2 ohm, whatever the resistance we have used on the resistance box. Next, 100 minus 57, so we'll get 100 minus L, and we have the formula X is equal to R 100 minus L upon L. After putting the values, we will get the result X1. Apart from that, we have another values of the resistance. As we take out another knob, so that we'll get the resistance 4 ohm. Okay, the same process will repeat by this 4 ohm resistance, so we'll get the new L, new 100 minus L, and after putting the values on the formula, we'll get the new value. After repeating this experiment for other values of resistance, we'll get X1, X2, X3 and X4. After taking the mean of these values, we'll get X mean. Okay, now we have another table that is known as diameter of the wire. For this purpose, we have used a screw gauge. Okay, screw gauge is basically a device which is used to measure the diameter of the wire. As you see, we just assemble that wire on the screw gauge. We will get the readings. Okay, what the reading of screw gauge implies? We have main scale reading, then circular scale reading and least count. Okay, as you see in the screw gauge, we have two types of measurement. Okay, first one, that is known as main scale reading, that is circular scale reading. We have to take the reading of this scale. Okay, so the main scale reading is of 0. So on the main scale we have taken 0. What is circular scale? Circular scale is basically what we have to do. We have to take out that reading which coincide the circular scale reading or main scale reading. Okay, suppose we have 85. 85 is the reading where the circular scale and main scale are coinciding. Okay, apart from that, multiply with least count, so we'll get the 0.85 as the value. Okay. Lastly, we have the formula rho is equal to x by d square upon 4L. X is what? X is basically the value of resistance, whatever we have get. Pi is 3.14. D is diameter of wire, what we have taken is 0.85. Then upon 4 into L. L means the length of wire. Whatever the wire we have used here, we have to take out the length of the wire. We have used 52 centimeter or 50 centimeter wire, so the length of wire is 50. We have approached as 50. On putting these values, we will get the value of rho, and rho is what? Rho is specific resistance. Okay.